Hey everybody, quick garden tour update, however you want to look at it. Just wanted to show you all my garden. Lots of changes happening. Video to come soon, but I did want to show y'all a few changes that I've made really fast and let y'all see what I've got going on in a super hot, super dry East Texas summer. So I redid my shade cloth and I have everything, all of my tomatoes underneath the shade cloth. This is making a big difference. I can tell when I walk underneath the shade cloth a significant drop in temperature, and I think the tomatoes are really appreciating it. I'm still getting lots and lots of cherry tomatoes. These are Sun Sugar and Sun Gold. And then over here I have some Rapunzel. And then what has become my favorite, the Super Sweet 100s. So shade cloth correction was really good. Again, I have a video coming out on this really soon. This is looking kind of sad. I'm just gonna say it. But this bed had to be corrected. This was where all my dwarf tomato project plants were, and I planted them too close. Lesson learned. They couldn't breathe. They all got disease. We had tons and tons of rain, and now it hasn't rained in 3 weeks. So literally north, south, east, and west of me has gotten between a ½ inch and 1.5 inches of rain in the last week. And I've gotten 0.1 inches, and that is it. So I'm up to watering twice a day, but this dwarf bed had to be cleaned up as it is now. I got the blackberries all trellised up, looking better. Over here in this bed, my cucumbers are coming on. So I just pulled a bunch. So should have waited and got the video first, but cucumbers are looking good. The Everglades tomato had to come out to make way for more cucumbers, succession sowing there. So this is where my Everglades were. And then the San Marzano is looking good. There is a Kahari melon in there. He's mixed in with the San Marzano. Hopefully he starts producing. My okra, now that they've gotten some sunlight, are looking really good. All right, so there's a really quick tour of my summer garden. Y'all, it's hot, it's dry. Summer in East Texas, just the way it's gonna be. Anything I can get out of this garden right now is going to be a bonus. I am starting to succession sow some cucumbers, some more Kahari melons. Maybe I'll get a melon, I don't know. But that's summer in East Texas. That's a quick update. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Thanks for watching.